Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some famous treatments trivia. Which treatment helps restore blood supply? A. Angioplasty, or B. Vitamin C, or C. Blood thinners, or D. Bypass surgery? The correct answer is A. Angioplasty. What term describes the removal of tissue? A. Biopsy, or B. Excision, or C. Amputation, or D. Incision? The correct answer is B. Excision. What therapy uses high-energy radiation? A. Massage therapy, or B. Chemotherapy, or C. Acupuncture, or D. Radiotherapy? The correct answer is D. Radiotherapy. What treatment involves the transfusion of blood? A. Blood transfusion, or B. Platelet therapy, or C. Iron supplements, or D. Plasma donation? The correct answer is A. Blood transfusion. What method improves lung function in asthma? A. Inhaled corticosteroids, or B. Bronchodilators, or C. Cough suppressants, or D. Antibiotics? The correct answer is B. Bronchodilators. Which treatment helps combat high cholesterol? A. Statins, or B. Herbal remedies, or C. Blood pressure pills, or D. Dietary fiber? The correct answer is A. Statins. What procedure removes excess tissue from eyes? A. LASIK surgery, or B. blepharoplasty, or C. Liposuction, or D. cleft repair? The correct answer is B. Blepharoplasty. Which therapy focuses on exposure to allergens? A. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or B. Hormone replacement therapy, or C. Antibiotic treatment, or D. Allergen immunotherapy? The correct answer is D. Allergen immunotherapy. What method of treatment involves surgery to remove organs? A. Radiation therapy, or B. Resection, or C. Biopsy, or D. Amputation? The correct answer is B. Resection. Which treatment increases bone density? A. Raloxifene, or B. Calcium supplements, or C. Bisphosphonates, or D. Vitamin D? The correct answer is C. Bisphosphonates. What procedure involves using lasers to correct vision? A. Cataract surgery, or eye exam, or C. LASIK, or D. PRK? The correct answer is C. LASIK. Which drug is often prescribed for hypertension? A. Aspirin, or B. ACE inhibitors, or C. Ibuprofen, or D. Metformin? The correct answer is B. ACE inhibitors. What treatment uses stem cells to regenerate tissue? A. Stem cell therapy, or B. Pain management, or C. Gene therapy, or D. Radiation therapy? The correct answer is A. Stem cell therapy. Which therapy combines medication and behavioral techniques? A. Solution-focused therapy, or B. Art therapy, or C. Cognitive therapy, or D. Dialectical behavior therapy? The correct answer is D. Dialectical behavior therapy. What procedure is common for spinal issues? A. Acupuncture therapy, or B. Chiropractic adjustment, or C. Physical therapy, or D. Spinal fusion? The correct answer is D. Spinal fusion. Which therapy targets cancer with targeted drugs? A. Targeted therapy, or B. Radiation therapy, or C. Chemotherapy, or D. Immunotherapy? The correct answer is A. Targeted therapy. What technique uses ultrasound to break up stones? A. Laser treatment, or lithotripsy, or C. Kidney flush, or D. Ultrasound therapy? The correct answer is B. Lithotripsy. What treatment involves the use of monoclonal antibodies? A. Immunotherapy, or B. Radiation therapy, or C. Chemotherapy, or D. Surgery? The correct answer is A. Immunotherapy. What drug is typically used for severe pain? A. Acetaminophen, or B. Opioids, or C. Aspirin, or D. Ibuprofen? The correct answer is B. Opioids. Which procedure is used for joint replacement? A. Osteotomy, or B. Arthroplasty, or C. Suture repair, or D. Anti-inflammatory therapy? The correct answer is B. Arthroplasty. Which treatment addresses symptoms of ADHD? A. Herbal supplements, or B. Stimulant medication, or C. Exercise routines, or D. Cognitive therapy? The correct answer is B. Stimulant medication. What remedy helps manage eczema rashes? A. Oral antibiotics, or B. Moisturizing lotion, or C. Topical corticosteroids, or D. Antihistamine tablets? The correct answer is C. Topical corticosteroids. What technique enhances blood flow for erectile dysfunction? A. Acupuncture therapy, or B. Vacuum therapy, or C. Hormone therapy, or D. Penile implants? The correct answer is B. Vacuum therapy. What procedure cleanses kidneys in patients with kidney failure? A. Blood thinners, or B. Dialysis machine, or C. Dialysis, or D. Kidney transplant? The correct answer is C. Dialysis. What drug class lowers blood pressure? A. Antidepressants, or B. Antihistamines, or C. Antibiotics, or D. Beta blockers? The correct answer is D. Beta blockers. Which therapy assists in quitting smoking? A. Nicotine replacement therapy, or B. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or C. Acupuncture, or D. Hypnotherapy? The correct answer is A. Nicotine replacement therapy. What treatment alleviates symptoms of anxiety? A. Antidepressants, or B. Antibiotics, or C. Anxiolytics, or D. Stimulants? The correct answer is C. Anxiolytics. What procedure corrects atrial fibrillation? A. Cardiac bypass, or B. Blood thinners, or C. Catheter ablation, or D. Defibrillator implant? The correct answer is C. Catheter ablation. What medication is prescribed for depression? A. Pain relievers, or B. Antiseptics, or C. Antidepressants, or D. Sleep aids? The correct answer is C. Antidepressants. What process helps clear mucus in COPD? A. Chest physiotherapy, or B. Mucus thinning drugs, or C. Antibiotic therapy, or D. Pulmonary rehabilitation? The correct answer is D. Pulmonary rehabilitation. What method helps with vision correction apart from glasses? A. Eye exercises, or B. Contact lenses, or C. Laser surgery, or D. Vision therapy? The correct answer is B. Contact lenses. What technique is used for skin cancer removal? A. Mohs surgery, or B. Cryotherapy, or C. Laser therapy, or D. Electrodesiccation? The correct answer is A. Mohs surgery. What surgical operation removes the gallbladder? A. Hernia repair, or B. Appendectomy, or C. Bypass surgery, or D. Cholecystectomy? The correct answer is D. Cholecystectomy. Which procedure is performed for infertility issues? A. Ultrasound, or B. Hysteroscopy, or C. Laparoscopy, or D. IVF? The correct answer is C. Laparoscopy. What medication class combats infections? A. Vaccines, or B. Antibiotics, or C. Antiseptics, or pain relievers? The correct answer is B. Antibiotics. Which drug aids in managing diabetes? A. Aspirin, or B. Lipitor, or C. Insulin pump, or D. Metformin? The correct answer is D. Metformin. What procedure repairs hernias? A. Suturing technique, or B. Appendectomy, or C. Hernia repair surgery, or D. Gallbladder removal? The correct answer is C. Hernia repair surgery. What procedure repairs the anterior cruciate ligament? A. ACL reconstruction, or B. Meniscus repair, or C. Rotator cuff surgery, or D. Knee arthroscopy? The correct answer is A. ACL reconstruction. Which technique addresses inflammation in patients? A. Pain relief methods, or B. Antibiotic treatments, or C. Muscle relaxants, or D. Anti-inflammatory medications? The correct answer is D. Anti-inflammatory medications. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.